Hi all, I am here at the Giessbach Falls on Lake Brienz. Here it's a perfect half-day trip if you're in the area. Today I will show you what you can do here, what you can see, if it's worth to ride the funicular you see behind me, because this is Switzerland Insider. My name is Greg, let's explore. Now I'm the kind of person that normally takes the car everywhere, but in this case I took the cruise ship from Brienz, okay? And then you arrive here where I am right now. After that you have the choice to either walk up or to take a funicular, a short funicular that runs about every 20 minutes.
The funicular costs 5 Swiss francs per way and takes about 5 minutes to go up or down. From the funicular you have amazing views of Lake Brienz.
And I would recommend you take the funicular up and take the walk down, because when you walk down you can visit one or more waterfalls on the way down you wouldn't normally see. Giessbach is mainly, it's the waterfalls, okay, and it's got a special waterfall where you can walk behind. This is the special thing about the Giessbach Falls, okay. There's also a Grandhotel, which is a hotel that dates back 100 or more years right now, from the Belle Epoque, where tourism in Switzerland actually started. They're really amazing to look at. This old luxury they represent, and they're usually at places where it was about relaxation or rehab or that sort of things. So this is a place where you can relax because of the sound of the water, and the aesthetics is really beautiful. And right now I will show you the tour around the Giessbach Falls.
To visit the Giessbach Falls there are circular tours. As you can see here on this map, there is one that goes to the Giessbach Falls, which is on the top right corner, and one that goes down to the lake where the cruise ships are. If you start from the hotel, you will pass the parking, which costs about 10 Swiss francs per day. The tour to the waterfall takes about half an hour to an hour. If you want to take both tours, you need to calculate maybe 2 to 3 hours.
I hope you enjoyed this travel guide for the Giessbach Falls. See you around in Switzerland. Bis bald und tschüss.